with Wayland Chevrolet Panic Room. Cal & Company on 89X.
Congratulations going out to Riley Dean of Petersburg. He was caller 89. He got the pair of tickets to see 89X present 21 Pilots at Meadowbrook on September the 19th and scored those backstage passes to meet the band before the show. Another chance for you to win those sold-out tickets happens at 4 o'clock today. Jay Hudd has your chance coming up at 4 o'clock. But again, Riley Dean, thanks for listening to Cal & Company. And congratulations on those sold-out tickets to see 21 Pilots. Good morning. I am Cal Cagno, Rusty Thompson, Sarah Jean. We're all here. And Chris and Scott from Victory Smokehouse are now in the building as well. Good morning, gentlemen. How are you?
We're good.
No, you're not just good.
I'm not just
You're
good.
delicious.
That's been said.
Yeah, you're delicious. Let me just say thank you so much for bringing in food today. We are so excited. We have burnt ends in the studio. Rusty and I have been just grazing on these in a way like a seagull. You have turkey in here and also your homemade sausage.
Yes, we have the burnt ends from our brisket. We have the that all-white meat turkey breast, and then we have the homemade spicy sausage, yeah.
Okay, so
surprised if it lasts.
Yeah, it's not going to last. This stuff won't last more than about 15, 20 minutes. The reason that these guys are here today is because Victory Smokehouse, of course, you guys know them in Warren, right there at 12 and Mound, going to be at Arts Beats and East this weekend with 89X.
Yes,
huge,
we are. Yeah,
huge.
We're absolutely stoked. It's going to be an awesome time. Yeah, we're right by the main stage, right by the headliners. We're blowing smoke right over into while they're trying to do their thing. It's going to be great, man.
Okay, so explain to me, because there's a lot of people out there at home that are wannabe, barbecue aficionados. They like to, get the home smokers. How did you get involved in this whole thing? Like, was this your first choice as far as careers?
It was not. No, I was actually in engineering for 4 years. I have a degree in civil. I practiced mechanical, chemical, extremely technical, boring. The desk didn't quite fit. And we did competition years ago for fun. I mean, anytime that we had you do the 9 to 5, you get off. Everyone goes out, they do their thing, they have their hobby. We smoked. That was our thing. So everything we did was prepping for that, and then it was a blast. And it snowballed. We got some attention, and we were doing 600-700 person events twice a month. Out of the own rigs we built ourselves, all reverse flow, stick burners, no propane, no electricity. Very authentic, right? So we were very proud of that. And then this project kind of blew up about 1.5 years ago, and we partnered with the Victory Inn in Warren, which is going on 70 years.
Well, and that's the thing. Anybody who's from around this area, I'm from Royal Oak originally. The Victory Inn, we obviously know that. That's something that is just it's been around an institution, and now you all of a sudden show up in there. How long have you been a restaurant?
The Victory Smokehouse project went to the public November 1st, 2014.
Okay, so not even a full year yet.
Not even. And we've already, we made the Eater Detroit online and magazine publication, top 13 barbecue essential stops in the Midwest. We're the youngest company on the list. It's just kind of taken off. Now, we opened in the winter. That's not necessarily ideal, but we had a ton of, once the ball started to get rolling, loyal followers out there in 5-degree weather, snow blowing sideways, and they're coming up to the rigs. And since then, it's just taken off. And now, since that's kind of turned with the spring and it's nice, it's kind of a rocket ship.
It's been amazing. I mean, here's the thing. We met you guys for the first time at our birthday bash, which was down at the Fox. We had delicious food there. We came back here, and I'm telling you, on the Monday morning afterwards, we were going on and on and on about how amazing the food was. Sarah was going on and on about how hot you were, for the record. I just want to throw that out there. Sarah Jean has got a bit of a crush. But, yes, we were going on about the food. Well, and then it turns out, then you guys brought the food in today. You're going to be out at Arts Beats and Eats, which is a festival that we've been out for a million years. I mean, we're stoked that you're going to be out there.
Thank you. Thank you. And it's been a great response with how people have taken our process, too, because, like you brought up earlier, people think barbecue is barbecue is barbecue. You got the weekend warriors. You got these that really enjoy it, and they put the time in. And obviously, everyone has their own way of doing things, but what we just delineate ourselves a lot in, kind of taking the very old school approach, the very authentic approach to what made this such an American staple, down in Lockhart, Texas, especially where it started, where I did most of my training throughout Texas. And it's just a very simple but patient process, and it's just that sickening obsession we have with keeping it as authentic that I think our customers really see the difference in.
And I think you can taste it. I mean, like I said, we've got it in here. We will be eating this all morning. Chris and Scott from Victory Smokehouse in Warren. If you haven't visited them over there, it's in the Victory Inn right at 12 and Mound. But again, you get a chance to not only have a taste, but have their stuff in person at Arts Beats and East this weekend. They're going to be set up next to the main stage. If you want more information, where can they find out?
VictorySmokehouse.com is going to have everything that they need, to get all the information for that event, and then anything at the shop itself for our day-to-day operation, and the social media, the Facebook, the Twitter, the Instagram. A lot of cool stuff, information on there, but definitely the website.
Yeah, go there first, and I'm telling you, go try their food. We got a chance to try it for the first time at our birthday bash. I'm blown away. It's the best barbecue I've ever had, and I'm not just saying that because they're sitting in the studio in the panic room right now. It's that good, and I'm so excited that on a Wednesday morning I get to eat some food from Victory Smokehouse. So try them this weekend. They're going to be at Arts Beats and Eats again. If you want more info, we'll post some stuff on Facebook.com/CalCagno listeners. But Chris and Scott from Victory Smokehouse, thanks for coming in this morning, man.
Thank
we really
you.
appreciate
Thank
it.
you so much.
We're going to get back to it right now, and I'm going to go eat some food while we play some music.